Hello everyone to my channel. Today I am going to review Syllaby based on my experience with it. If you don't know Syllaby basically it's a website that uses AI to develop videos, faceless videos or videos with avatar without any experience or with minimal experience from you, as well as it is also have an important aspect which is social media management. So in this video I am going also to share with you some promo codes of 25% discount and also 50% discount. I hope it is going to work with you when you watch this video. So let's dive in. So this is this website of Syllaby, as you can see here. Right now I have for this month, for the remaining of the months, about 271 credits, which is around 21 minutes of videos. And basically it's a paid version. So you can see here that if you'd like to create a video, you could create a video with an avatar behind it or a faceless video. You could ask it to generate some ideas that is available in the market, or like that they have some trend or value, and then you could actually clone your voice. So actually I use this to clone my voice. We will see this. We could do some video editing. If you would like to schedule multiple videos at once and you start to post this on your social media every day, you could use the bulk scheduler. As well as we have the publishing on social media, we have my videos, calendar to manage the social media, and basically to connect different accounts, whether it's on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, and so on. So let's start with creating a video using a faceless video. So you can see here you have different options that you could select from these themes. Okay, and basically after you select your theme, let's say this one, you get to select the language that you would like to use, subtitles used, voices, different ones, and this is actually my voice included, which is in here. If I played it, man is the only predator who hunts his own. So basically this is kind of, it looks, it sounds same as my voice. And you could select which type of orientation, which is the vertical, like 9 by 16 aspect ratio, or a basic 16 by 9, and how long in the video itself. Then you could use this one to choose where the subtitle, which is the location, what the color, what the animation of the subtitle itself. For example, this is bouncing. You could use the highlight, for example. You get to use here the background that you would like. Also, you could upload your own music or background music here. You select one. Basically, for example, this one, you have to hear it. And you get to use how loud it should be. It's supposed to be inside the video itself. And use whether you need sound effects or not in the transitions, the type of animation. Let's say, for example, in the image, you can see here it's raining. Okay. And also what type of image translation between images. There are different types. Usually I use the mixed for random transitions. And basically you could set up this one and save it as a preset. Now when it comes to the custom script, you have 3 options: either to build it by yourself or to use, for example, something like ChatGPT. I would say, from my experience, ChatGPT is much better in creating the scripts. So basically ask ChatGPT to create a script for you within a specific duration, and you give it all the information required, and it creates the script and basically you paste it here. Or you could use the AI script assistant, but here it costs some credit to basically generate the text itself. So for example, let's use an example. Give the height about and basically ask it to be fair. Then you could create a first song. Then basically it gives you here that has been created, and the estimated duration is going to be 1 minute, and the estimated credit cost is going to be 13 credits for this video. And this video basically the orientation is vertical. So you can read this script, and if you like it, you can hit basically here the generate video, or basically you can do something else. So here it did not show the generate video because we are above 59 seconds. So we'd like to edit this one. So I decided to remove this in action here. So now it is valid. I'm going to generate it. but let's have, because it's a funny video, let's change this one to make it something else, maybe animated cartoon, for example. And let's remove the rain here. Don't need any rains, anything, sparkling. Okay, that sounds good. So now we can generate the video itself. Please generate, and here it starts to generate the video, and also gives you some ideas about what should you select as a topic for your next video itself. Okay, so while it generates the video, let's show you something else. Okay, so here when you press the discover ideas, you can see here that you could select the idea or select what exactly the trends. Now you can write about what exactly. So you write down, for example, physics, or you write down, for example, traveling around the globe, what are the trends, and basically discover the ideas, and it costs you about 15 credits. Actually here, everything that you do, it costs some amount of credits from your credits to be done. Okay, and here it tells you the average cost advertisers pay per user click for the different topics. For example, we can see this one, how non-profits make money. Actually, this has a lot of money per click. Okay, so this is how we discover the ideas. Going to re-clone. Basically, I cloned my voice, so I did voice cloning. So you can see here I added 3 audio files with my voice, and basically it created or cloned my voice so that I can use it in different videos. And you have also different options if you would like to make a studio avatar for yourself or for anyone. This could be done as well. Go for video editor. Here it's basically like a normal editor. You can put an audio, you cut it, like combine different videos, add an audio from your file, add text, shapes, and so on. Just like a very basic editor. It is not fancy. I would say, if you like, it is not the best to be used for editing videos, but it is there. After that, you could do the bulk scheduler. Basically, you press hey create, and you select a topic, and you select how many videos do you want, and basically after like every how many days do you want to post this video. For example, here, how many posts per day. Let's say, for example, you have a duration of 7 days. You have 1 post per day, that means it's 7. And basically you can say what's the time exactly, and all the details about this kind of bulk videos creation. Okay, but I'm not going to do this because actually it costs you the same. So if you created 5 videos of 1 minute, each one going to create is going to cost you 13 credits. So basically it saves you only some time, but it costs the same. Then after that, you would publish on social media. So I have different accounts that I connected here, but let's see one of the videos. Actually, it is not yet created, the one that we have done. We will see it later, but let's see something that I have done before. So this video, if you went and throughout history, scientific progress has often come at a video itself. You have 2 options to edit this video after it's finished or after it has been created. Either to go to the normal editor, okay, and cut the video, add something in the middle and so on, or basically edit the AI generated video. So we press here. You get to see the images that has been created, and also some of the images that I have added to this video. For example, this image was not there. I added myself. So basically press edit, and from here you have different options, either to make this a motion, like to create some motion inside the image itself, but it costs you 10 credits, or you upload your own media, which is I have done this. I uploaded this image. Also, you could generate a different version of, for example, of this image. If you don't like this image, you could basically write here the image prompt and press generate. Usually you have three iterations or regenerations per video. After that, each regeneration is going to cost you 1 credit. Or you could use stop videos. I like this option because basically, let's say sometimes I would like to use it. Science, for example, shows you some videos. So I would select one of these videos and basically add it. It becomes a movable or a motion video at the beginning. So you can see here. History, scientific progress to not be shown right now, except when you export the video, you will see the new edit that I did. But I will turn it back to this. If you want to change any word in the subtitle, basically you could write it down here and edit it. Then basically you export the new version of the video. Okay. One drawback I have to say about that basically using these different themes are not the best. Sometimes it creates irrelevant images, which means that you have to go to edit it yourself and to generate other other images.
Throughout history, scientific progress has often come at a
I go here and edit each irrelevant image that is not matching with the story that I am trying to implement or generate here. Okay. Something else related to language. Some languages are not perfectly encoded and shown here. For example, if we went to one of the videos that I have created in a different language, which is, I think it is, which one?
هل تعلم أن مدخراتك تفقد قيمتها يوم؟
So this video I have created in a different language, basically Arabic language, but this was the encoded subtitle. But I have to be honest that I contacted the team, basically the technical support, and they promised that they are going to correct all these issues inside the website itself. And lastly, basically this is the calendar that you couldn't see the videos that you are going to publish or you have published already or you are scheduling to publish in the future. I would say the first promo code for 25%, it is Syllaby 25. Syllaby 25. I hope it is working with you when you use it. Let's see what happens if you would like to publish. For example, if I press here publish, okay, gives me all the account that I have added on this website. So I can select all of them, for example, yeah. Then basically select what is the title that I would like to say. Let's say Science Fancy. Okay. Then let's basically, you can customize it for each one. So you write the details for YouTube, for example, title, hashtag, and notify, public, so on. And then basically you can do this for Facebook and TikTok and so on. You could customize the publishing and how to publish it and all the details for each account separately. Then basically you can publish now, or you could schedule it and write down when exactly do you want to publish this video. Lastly, we didn't talk about the avatar video. You could go for avatar video. Basically, you create the script or basically the AI to create it for you. And basically choose which avatar do you want. For example, this, let's say, dark science. I select what is the length of it and basically make a generation of this one. Let's say, for example, this one, dark science. Then you continue, you select which avatar do you want to use. Let's say this one. And we go next. Choose which voice. Let's say
Man is the only predator who hunts his own.
Then basically, at this point, you generate the avatar itself, and it's going to cost you some amount of credit. So I'm not going to do this right now. So the promo code of 50% discount, it is welcome 50. Welcome 50. I hope the promo code that I have provided you are working at the time that you are going to use it. So to summarize, Syllaby has a good potential. Hopefully that the technical support team is going to basically edit the prompts that create the themes so that they create more relevant images for the stories that we are building using Syllaby. Hopefully also that they are going to create, edit or enhance the subtitle creation for other languages. So it has a potential for that is developing good videos fast enough using AI without any experience. Second, it does social media management and you can schedule posts using different accounts. So I would say these are two important things that you would like to have in an AI website. And with the promo codes that I have provided within this video, I hope you will have a good deal with Syllaby, and see you next time in my other videos. Please like the video if you like it, and subscribe and share it with your friends to benefit out of it. And see you next time. Thank you.
Step into the fascinating world of MRI machines, where humor sneaks into the realm of technology. Do you know the first MRI scan of a human took almost 5 hours? Quite the patience test. Next, feast on this. The MRI's original name was actually NMR, or nuclear magnetic resonance, but nuclear was dropped to avoid any Cold War era anxiety. Moving on, quench your curiosity with the fact that MRI magnets are so powerful they could lift a car 6 feet off the ground. Speaking of quirks, it's critical to remove all metal because the magnet will pull it aggressively, including those forgotten coins in your pocket. And let's conclude with a twist. Some patients claim to hear classical music inside the machine, but it's just the hum of science. Who knew medical imaging could be so amusing?